How to turn off replay on a Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off replay on a Snapchat. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to turn on the camera access on your Snapchats. And once you do that, you need to take the snap. And once you have taken the snap, at the right corner of the screen you will see different icon. Simply you need to tap on the infinite option at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to simply choose to 1 seconds, and once you have done that, you need to simply have limited this replay option. Now you can tap send to at bottom right corner of the screen, and you can send it to any users you would like to, and they won't be able to replay on Snapchats for more than 1 seconds. More option is simply you need to head back to your profile at top left corner, and to upgrade your Snapchat you can select Snapchat Plus, and then you can select different option, and with that you'll be able to turn off replay options on a Snapchat. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.